Never here, back again with another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to make an RP name GUI, and it works on R15 and R6 characters. It's pretty good. So what you're gonna want to do is look in the description, and you'll see a RP name GUI. And what you're gonna want to do is you want to click on Get. It's by remastered Studios, which is mine. I also have a new game. I'll also be putting that in the description, so you'll be able to see that. So after you get it, what you're going to want to do is open up Studio, and you're going to open up your world, right? And the first thing you want to do is go to File, and make sure you have these two on. You don't have to enable these, but I recommend enabling these options. Now what you want to do is you want to look on the toolbox that you can click on View, and then like Toolbox, and you want to go over Inventory, alright? And you're going to want to click on this. You'll see this by remastered Studios. Click on that. Alright. Now what you want to do is look in the workspace. Click this arrow. It says Ungroup and Replicate Storage. So what you're going to do is you're going to move this and replicate storage. You can do Control U, and you'll see name changer events, and then below. Alright. And I'll tell you why I have them separate. And you also have scripts in here. What you want to do is you want to move this to server script service. Alright. Do Control U. There you go. And you have your two scripts in there. Now, I'll tell you why they're kinda in different things. So move this one to server storage. Control U. So server storage, name bio, name GUI above. And the last one is star GUI. What you want to do is drag this into here. Now, I did something pretty cool with this GUI, and the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the buttons. Alright, is this button here. So what you're going to do is you want to open up this, and it'll have a frame. It's to hold the button in. So we want to open up the frame, and text button. You got your text button. You can change this some color right here, or you can change the corner radius or whatever. But what you want to do is open this local script. What it does is it looks for the players, it gets the service, and then it goes to local player. You know, pretty simple. And it does script.parent mouse button one click. Alright, you click it, and then it does this. It does connect function, and then it does this. It goes in the local player GUI, which is aka star GUI, name changer. Alright, this right here is name changer. So it looks for that, and it does enabled. Right? I didn't do visible. I did enable because I think it's way easier. And if we look into this one, and this is the button. So basically what's going to happen is when you click this, it's going to enable the name changer, and then it's going to disable the button, so you won't see the button. So that's for the button. Now we're going to look in the name changer. We're going to click on this frame. You may have to enable it if you want to do it. So you click on this, and then you look in your properties. You go to View. Just make sure you have properties in Explorer, obviously. You want to click on enable to see it. It's pretty cool. It has like a drag script in there, so you can drag it around a game. And it says change name and change bio. Right? You input a name, and then you do change name. It does it above, and then you do change bio. You put in a bio, and does that. Now, in the drag strip, we're not going to look at that. Now, in the X, so you're going to click on this, click on the arrow, and here you basically have the same thing, except when you click on this, it makes the name changer not visible, and then it makes the button enable again. So, pretty simple. Now, you can customize this as long as you want. Just confirm name change script. You don't really have to mess with that. We're not going to look at that. But if you want to, you can look at this. If you want to change anything, you'll have to like move stuff around and stuff. Yep. Same thing. It's basically like name frame is basically the same thing, except they are doing like two different things. All right. So I think we're done with the GUI. If you want to, you can look at it, but I'm not going to look at that much. You can customize this too, but I recommend putting on a dummy or something, and then I recommend like you can do an offset or whatever to your liking. Now, into script service, we're looking to change name script. You can change that. You know, just everything is basically here for you guys. I also add filtering because there was not filtering, and basically like you could put in swears and it literally shows it in game, and everybody else can see it too. So yeah, I fixed that. So I also fixed bug, because if you watch my other video, I fixed the bug on this, so you can just go ahead and you can read all of this, you can look at it. Change name scripts. Now I don't recommend changing anything, right? Everything is fine, but if you want to, you can, right? Because everything's secure from exploits too. Because I put the things in the source storage. Now replicated, you know. Now I'm gonna show you guys it in game now. All right, I'm gonna show you guys it in game because you can just pretty much just look at it. All right. Yeah. If you don't disable, it's fine. But see, you can move it around, and you can put in like hi or something. Now, if you type in a swear in here, it's obviously gonna show in the studio. But if you're in game, it's not gonna show. You can do like yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe, and also join the group or the Discord. I'll put that in the description. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and goodbye.